My name is James Rossi. I am President and General Manager of Torqqe Performance. At Torqqe, we are here to joyfully serve passionate performance owners and their cars. You know, one of my earliest memories was my father and riding with him in his Porsche. My father was a Los Angeles City fireman. He never quite had the money for a Porsche 911, so he had a 914. But he loved that car, he raced that car, and had a great time with it, and I got to ride in that car a lot. Eventually, after my father passed, got my first Porsche. It was a project. I had a lot of fun doing it. I hadn't turned a wrench in years, but that project got me back in love with cars.
My name is Rusty Smith. I'm the founder and principal of Torqqe Performance. My grandfather on my mother's side drove like a madman. So that inspired me to just go faster, go faster. The first thing I ever put together was a bicycle at the age of 6, and I cross-threaded every nut and bolt on it, but I got it together. So I've been referred to pretty much as a gearhead all my life. If it's mechanical and it goes fast, I'm there.
I believe very strongly that this shop is a different type of experience for a passionate performance customer.
That's what James and I have been trying to establish, is a family atmosphere where everybody works together. There is no animosity, there is nothing. Things get done. When customers walk in, anywhere from our porter to our lead tech to the president of the company, you can talk to anybody.
When a passionate performance owner comes to Torqqe, they're going to be respected. Their vehicle is going to be respected.
When you're passionate about something, you don't think about it as being work anymore. When it becomes work, then it's time for me to stop. If the customer is satisfied when they leave, that's all I care about. And now if they go out and brag about us, that's even better.
That kind of breadth of service, that kind of capability is something that most shops simply don't bother with. It comes back to why we're here. And if you're the kind of owner who wants that type of service, then we want to help you and we want you to get that service from us.